Late again to dinner, gave you 3 weeks notice as per your requirement. But you're counting down the minutes till your next appointment, stuck in awkward silence. Underneath what you do, there's nothing but blue and pieces that don't have a place. Everyone sees clearly, they're scared to hurt your feelings. Now let me tell it to your face. You're a lonely cactus, all on your own. You're on the attack, but you sit by the phone. A lonely cactus in the desert sun, but you're scared if you get too close. You wonder why nobody tries anymore. You bleed us dry, still want it all. There's more to life than chasing you in circles. Do you wanna run it all? Underneath what you do, there's nothing but blue and pieces that don't have a place. I'm so tired of hearing, leave your name and number. Now let me tell it to your face. You're a lonely cactus, all on your own. You're on the attack, but you sit by the phone. A lonely cactus in the desert sun, but you're scared if you get too close, you'll hurt someone. You'll hurt I'll weather the storm and I'll take all these thorns, 'cause I miss you. I'll break through the armor you've worn for so long, 'cause you miss me too. You're a lonely cat